everybody, guys! Today we're doing this vegetarian turtle that I would love to share my recipe. Follow my channel and don't forget to click the like. First of all, we'll do the maize. We put 2 eggs, some sugar and a bit of salt. We mix it with the mixer till we have this consistency. After, you put some oil and mix it again. After, you put some flour and then you mix it more, but then you have to do it with your hands. Here you have the maize and the consistency that it has to be. You have to put in the plate and you have to put in the refrigerator for 1 hour. 30 grams of milk or cheese, then some eggs, not the whites, and then you mix it. In the whites, you put a bit of salt and mix it. Then a bit of sugar all together. And a bit of vanilla. You all mix it for 5 minutes or more till you have this consistency. Half you put it inside this maize and mix it by hand. Then you mix all of it together. You have to mix it not really hard but really slow. You have to roll it out to do the forms. Cut it in squares and 11 centimeters to 11 centimeters. Forms for cupcakes, you have to put some oil so the maize doesn't stick to it. After, you put 1 square inside. In each of every cupcake stuff, you put 1 tablespoon of the filling. After, you just close the square. You don't have to close it really hard, but just try. After, you put in the oven for 110 for 30 minutes. After they're done, we have to let it 10 minutes to chill and you take it out. When it's chilled, we have to put some sugar glaze on top, and that's it. This types of pastry has really nice and fluffy inside and is really good for dessert. If you like this recipe, follow my channel and put the like. Don't forget to put the bell to see all my videos. Thank you for watching this video.